Hey guys, getting started on 98 111. I'm going to take the suspension off today. My brother's out here helping me, so we're going to take the side skirts off, take the front bumper off, take the suspension. See, wheels are back on the car. This was just set a through on to move the carb into the right spot. So we'll get started on that and start disassembling it. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I have a few more updates here in the future, so go ahead and subscribe and we'll get it going until completion and full restoration of Integra Type R 98 111. Thanks.